Hello, viewer. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the latest market trends and economic shifts. Today, we're focusing on a significant global market update, highlighting how China's latest stimulus measures are impacting stocks and commodities across Asia, and what to anticipate from the upcoming US inflation data. On Tuesday, Asian markets experienced a substantial uplift following China's announcement of rate cuts and initiatives aimed at boosting domestic spending. This development has sparked a wave of optimism among investors, rejuvenating the Chinese stock market and broader commodity sectors. Notably, the Hang Seng Index climbed by 1%, and the blue-chip CSI 300 Index surged by 2%, hitting one-month highs. This rally was led predominantly by consumer shares, as investor confidence soared in response to China's government endorsing plans to stabilize the market and aggressively stimulate consumption. Interestingly, while equity markets thrived, the Chinese bond markets told a different story. Both 10-year and 30-year bond yields hit record lows, reflecting some skepticism about the long-term economic growth impact of these policy adjustments. The ripple effects of China's policy shift were also felt in Australia, where commodity-linked stocks like Fortescue Metals and Rio Tinto saw significant gains, nearly 7% and 5% respectively. The Australian dollar held its ground, trading at $0.6428, as the market anticipates the Reserve Bank of Australia's next move. Turning our attention to the United States, the S&P 500 experienced a slight dip, largely influenced by a 2.5% fall in Nvidia's stock amidst an antitrust probe in China. All eyes are now on the upcoming US Consumer Price Index report set for release on Wednesday. With the core inflation rate expected to remain at 3.3% for November, speculations are high regarding a potential Federal Reserve rate cut next week. Furthermore, similar rate cuts are being anticipated in Europe, Canada, and possibly Switzerland, reflecting a global response to varied economic challenges. In the currency markets, the euro and the yen showed interesting movements against the dollar, with speculators taking a long position on the yen for the first time in months. In the commodities sector, oil prices experienced a mild increase due to both China's economic plans and heightened geopolitical risks, particularly following significant political developments in Syria. Meanwhile, gold prices and Bitcoin valuations held steady, underlining the ongoing market caution and investor sentiment. As we continue to navigate through these dynamic economic times, it's clear that China's policy decisions and the upcoming US inflation data will play crucial roles in shaping global market strategies in the days ahead. Stay tuned to our channel for further updates and in-depth analysis on how these factors will impact global markets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful updates.